Feel the vast, infinite nature of the ocean. Each wave that touches the shore carries your financial fears away. Every thought of lack, every worry about money is gently pulled back into the deep, healing waters. The ocean holds a richness far greater than the limits of the mind. It is endless, it is infinite, and it is always flowing. Each wave gathers the remnants of scarcity from the shore and carries them far away into the deep source at the bottom of the ocean, returning them to where they dissolve completely. Every wave moves in harmony with your breath. Inhale, abundance. Exhale, financial anxiety. Into the calm and compassionate waters. The ocean is holding you, supporting you, embracing you completely. There is an infinite source available to you, and you are already a part of it. Now, only abundance returns to the shore, only wealth, only financial freedom. You are completely safe here, at the edge of these healing waters. Your worries have dissolved into the depths, and what remains is peace, softness, and a clearer awareness of abundance. Go deeper, let it flow. Let financial freedom find you. You are worthy of abundance, and it is already on its way to you. Right now, you are centered within your own space. Gently leave today's financial rush behind. Leave tomorrow's economic worries behind, and all the thoughts that say, not enough. Let them stay outside the door. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders relaxing, your neck softening, your back slowly releasing tension. With each breath you release, your body becomes lighter, more relaxed, more at ease. You are moving away from the noisy frequency of the outside world, and away from the belief that wealth only comes with time. Right now, there is only you, your breath, and the silence of this healing moment. Tonight, your subconscious mind is opening. It is gently releasing old limiting beliefs and allowing in the truth that you deserve financial freedom. Notice the old cycle of scarcity in your mind. These are only patterns, old impressions learned from the past. They are not your truth. Your true nature is infinite abundance. You deserve to be financially free. Take another deep breath, in and out. Let go. Surrender into the generosity of the universe. All those layers of resistance, all the inner voices that whisper, I don't deserve it, are gently crumbling away, one by one. You are opening fully now, and with this voice, with this moment, you are aligning with your own value, with your financial freedom. You are choosing abundance. You are healing, and you are safe. I deserve financial freedom to the fullest extent. Wealth is my most natural right. I recognize my own value, and I invite abundance into my life. Financial success is the natural result of my life energy. I am a being worthy of infinite abundance, and every single day I open myself up to receive more. Accepting wealth is an act of self-love. I choose financial freedom, and I allow myself to deserve it fully. My inner value is one with the abundance of the outer world. Accepting abundance is the most natural need of my soul. I release scarcity consciousness, and I create space for abundance. I allow money to flow to me with ease and with joy. My financial intelligence and prosperity expand every day. I am transforming my relationship with money from fear to trust. I replace the belief in lack with the awareness of infinite abundance. My financial limitations are dissolving. Money is simply a tool that enriches my life. I live in alignment with the consciousness of abundance. I release the fear of loss, and I embrace the joy of sharing. My trust in the generosity of the universe is unshakable. I allow money to flow to me through every channel. I make my financial decisions from trust, not fear. The energy of money is in harmony with my life energy. My life is filled with financial peace and abundance. I release expectations, and I welcome what life brings. My income sources are increasing day by day. My path to financial freedom is clear, it is direct, it is unfolding. I attract abundance like a magnet. Money comes to me with joy. It stays with peace, and it multiplies with blessing. I am financially safe. I am always supported. I build my financial success through inner discipline. My talents are the key to my freedom. My self-confidence strengthens my financial life. Success is inevitable for me. I move toward my goals with calm and clarity. My abundance consciousness easily overcomes every obstacle. I take responsibility for my financial freedom with joy. I notice more opportunities every day. Earning and managing money is an art for me. I am becoming stronger financially every day. I am financial freedom. I am abundance. Keeping abundance in my life is my choice and my right. My financial worries are fading and are replaced by trust. I am living wealth. I am breathing freedom. Living in abundance is my natural state. My financial future is bright and secure. My relationship with money is peaceful and prosperous. With every breath, I draw abundance closer to me. I am a financial miracle. I am a source of prosperity. And now, you can gently drift away into sleep in complete financial freedom. The waves of the ocean have gently reminded you what it means to be infinite, just like the deep richness at the bottom of the sea. There is an abundance within you, waiting to be discovered. Softly now, leave your fears on the shore. Let them stay behind. They are no longer yours to carry. And tonight, you float peacefully in the vast sea of financial freedom, held by something greater than effort, held by stillness, held by trust. Tomorrow, you will wake up differently, like a magnet, naturally drawing abundance into your life, without force, without struggle, without fear. For now, simply rest. Let the ocean carry you. Let the silence hold you. And sleep in deep peace.